Hi, my name is Juhi Bhangavkar, and I'm from Exton, Pennsylvania, and a realtor in KW Exton office.
I'm Paula Fallon, and I'm a realtor in Chester County, Pennsylvania.
I'm Sonny Christopher. I'm a real estate agent, and I live in Nashville, Tennessee.
My name is Anna Marie Bosco. I am an inside sales agent, and I work for a company in Houston, Texas.
My name is Rochelle Jesse. I am a business coach, and I am from Cromwell, Connecticut.
I honestly feel like everybody in business should take this certification program.
Absolutely, I will recommend this program. It's not only about your business, it's about your self-journey as well.
I absolutely would recommend the Exactly What to Say event. The work that's done in this program is monumental for every aspect of life, and it would be beneficial to anybody.
I had a lead who expressed to me that they were thinking about using another agent. Through the direct help of Andrea and Nicole, we were able to revive that lead. So it went from a completely dead lead that I was ready to give up on to closing. She's actually had now given me a referral, so it's led to more than one client.
Andrea and Nicole are awesome.
They are two powerhouse women.
They're phenomenal teachers.
She has been nothing but helpful. She has so much going on, but always makes time for you. So I've felt very good communicating with her.
They create an environment that supports learning, and that's important. That was very important to me because it's new things that we're trying and we're testing. We're trying to unlearn certain things to now learn better ways of communicating.
They complement each other so well. I think they've only known each other for maybe a year or two, but you kind of get the impression that they've been sisters for 20 years.
My conversion rate is changed drastically because now I understand them more, and I really fundamentally changed my appointment settings. I would say doubled my business within the last 6 months.
I think the main thing that I learned in this certification is the key to really helping people is to have them answer the questions themselves.
The biggest takeaway from this is every day you come across with the clients in my personal relationship, business relationship, and really ask the questions and go deeper. Even if you think that you want to stop there, ask 2 more questions.
So the first thing that surprises me is how many people, including myself, aren't curious enough.
A lot of times we can feel salesy and we can feel like we're pushing a product or a service on someone, but a lot of times that's coming from a lack of curiosity that we didn't show earlier in the conversation. So we're moving the conversation forward too quickly, and we're trying to push them towards the finish line and to the close way too soon.